Hi guys, this is Kavata Castaneda. I'm presenting my EPTC 610 final data action plan. What is it? A data action plan is a set of data that you collect from your students on their assignments. Now that you have the data from the students, such as their grades and objectives that were to be met during that time, you need to review it. What needs to be corrected? Are we doing everything to meet the students as a whole? This can include large groups, small groups, and evaluating if a student has an IEP and their accommodations are being met to assist them. What is done after that? Well, since I have the information presented to us, we know what to do. It's called a triangulating. Triangulating is reviewing the additional data with the intent of making clear connections among three items: original source of data and the information we extracted from it, two, our instructional strategies, and three, our students' performances. When do we apply the goals? Applying and bridging the gap with the students is up to the educator, depending how long the required goal needs to be done over a course of time. Is it the entire class or a set of group of students? This all contributes to an action plan. Each goal needs to be addressed the class as a whole to help them better succeed in the classroom. Implementation and goal after. Once you have implemented the action plan and see new results and compare them to past ones, you need to evaluate where your students are now. I believe it's important to look back at your past action plan and see what steps you used to help the students succeed. This will give you a better outlook to see what implementations worked best and what did not in the classroom with the students. How does the plan help students? The data action plan allows the educator to meet the students where they're at. The educator is giving students multiple opportunities, various assessments, and presenting curriculum to them to meet the objectives. Through the data action plan, we can see what teacher strategies work best and continue to apply them.